फिश means मछली. Frog means मेढक. Turtle means कछुआ. Crocodile means मगरमच्छ. Dolphin means dolphin. Duck means बतख. Octopus means अष्टबाहु. Crab means केकड़ा. Whale means whale. Seal means seal. Walrus means walrus. Shark मछली means shark मछली. Jellyfish means jellyfish. Hippopotamus means दरियाई घोड़ा. Sea horse means समुद्री घोड़ा. Starfish means तारा मछली. Eel means बाम मछली. Lobster means झींगा मछली. Squid means squid. Orca means orca. Sea lion means जल व्याघ्र. Shrimp means झींगा. Hermit crab means hermit crab. Manatee means manatee. Mussel means कार्लव. Anaconda means जल सर्प. Thorny oyster means कंटीली सीप. Snail means घोंगा. Otter means उदबिलाव. Penguin means penguin. Polar bear means बर्फीला भालू. Stingray means stingray. Oyster means सीप. Swordfish means तलवार मछली. Piranha means पिराहना मछली. Killer whale means मांसाहारी व्हेल. Clownfish means क्लॉन मछली. Cuttel fish means कट्टल मछली. Sea slug means समुद्री घोंघा. Ray means जल कीड़ा. Conch means घोंघा. Blue whale means नीली व्हेल. Apple snail means सेब घोंघा. Coconut crab means नारियल केकड़ा. Marine iguana means समुद्री इगुआना. Toad means मेंढक. Water cucumber means water cucumber. Water snake means जल सांप. Coral snake means coral सांप. Sea fan means sea fan. Flowery flounder means फूलदार फ्लाउंडर. Water beetle means जल कीड़ा. Basket star means basket star. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe देखने के लिए धन्यवाद.